green smoothie recipes for weight loss. 3 easy and delicious recipes you must try. Leafy greens aren't considered powerhouse vegetables for nothing. They're rich in antioxidants that improve digestion and metabolism. They're also loaded with fiber, which will help fill you up fast and suppress your hunger. Now let's proceed to the recipes. Number 1. Dr. Gundry's 3-Day Detox Green Smoothie. Number 2. Avocado Super Smoothie. Number 3. Heart Healthy Green Smoothie.